Hello, I am Geeta Babu Singh, welcoming you all again to this session. In previous session, we discussed on transmission modes in which we studied simplex mode, half duplex and full duplex. Categories of networks in which we study local area network and wide area network. In the today's session, we discuss on guided media, twisted pair cable, coaxial cable. So, let us start with the transmission medium and physical layer. A transmission medium can be broadly defined as anything that can carry information from a source to destination. So, as shown in this particular slide, we have a figure in which a transmission medium is nothing but a cable or air, and a physical layer which is nothing but a sender which sends the data, and a physical layer which receives the data. Transmission medium is usually free space or metallic cable or fiber optic cable. The information, usually a signal, that is the result of conversion of data from another form. Transmission media can be divided into broad categories: guided and unguided. Particularly, as shown in this slide, the transmission media can be broadly divided into guided, that is wired, and unguided, that is wireless. So the guided media again divided into the guided media again have three types. One is twisted pair cable, second one is coaxial cable, and third one is the fiber optic cable. The unguided is divided into free space. Let us start with guided media. Guided media, which are those that provides a conduct from one device to another, include twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. Let us see one by one. A twisted pair cable. A twisted pair cable consists of two conductors, normally copper, each with its own plastic insulation, twisted together. One of the wireless is used to carry a signal to the receiver, and the other is used only as a ground reference. The receiver uses the difference between the two cables. So in this slide, we shows a twisted pair cable in which one side is nothing but the insulator, the other side shows the conductor. So in these two cable, one is used to carry the signal to the receiver and the other is used as ground reference. The most common twisted cable used in communication is referred to unshielded twisted pair, that is UTP. IBM has also produced a version of twisted pair cable for its use called shielded twisted pair, that is STP. STP cables has a metallic foil or covering that encases each pair of insulated conductors. Although metal casing improves the quality of cable by preventing the preventing the penetration of noise or crosstalk. It is bulkier and more expensive. So as shown in this particular slide, we have two wires in which one shows the UTP, that UTP is nothing but untwisted twisted pair, and STP, that is shielded twisted pair. So the UTP, in UTP we have a plastic cover. In STP, here also we have the plastic cover with metallic shield. So twisted pair cable are used in telephone lines to provide voice and data channel. The local loop, the line that connects subscriber to the central telephone office, commonly consists of unshielded twisted pair. So categories of unshielded twisted pair, as shown in this particular slide, we draw the we have the table in which a specification and data rate in megabit per second and uses of twisted pair cable. So first use of twisted the first use of unshielded twisted pair used in telephone. The data rate is less than 0.1, which is used in telephones. Second is unshielded twisted pair, originally used in T lines, and the data rate is 2. Improved CAT2 used in LANs, that is 10. So like so on we have the data rates of unshielded twisted pair cable. So next let us see the most common unshielded twisted pair connector is RJ45. RJ stands for resistor jack. The RJ45 is key connector, meaning the connector can be inserted in only one way. So let us repeat. The most common UTP connector is RJ45. The RJ stands for resistor jack. The RJ45 is keyed connector, meaning the connector can be inserted in only one way. As shown in this slide, we have two RJ45 connector. One is male, another one is female, in which the pin connections start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Same for male also, male connector also. So next, as shown in this slide, we have the graph figure of unshielded twisted pair performance, in which the graph is plotted against attenuation, that is in dB per kilometer, to frequency in kilohertz. A coaxial cable carries signals of a higher frequency range than those in twisted pair cable, in part because the two medium are constructed quite differently. Coaxial cable has central core conductor of solid or standard wire enclosed in an insulating sheet, which is in turn encased in an outer conductor of metallic foil or a combination of the two. The outer metallic wrapping serves both as a shield against noise and as the second conductor which completes the circuit. The outer conductor is also enclosed in an insulating sheet and the whole cable is protected by plastic cover. So as shown in this slide, where we have a coaxial cable in which the central core conductor of a solid or stranded wire enclosed in an insulating sheet. So the inner conductor, outer conductor, that is shield. So next is insulator, then last is your plastic cover. So I am repeating once again. Coaxial cable has central core conductor of solid or stranded wire enclosed in an insulating sheet, which is in turn encased in an outer conductor of metallic foil, combination of the two. The outer metallic wrapping serves both as shield against the noise and as the second conductor which completes the circuit. This outer conductor is also enclosed in an insulating sheet and whole cable is protected by plastic cover. Categories of coaxial cable. So first there are three categories in which RG59, RG58, RG11. Impedance of RG59 is 75 ohm, which is used in cable TV. RG58, impedance of that is 50 ohm, which is used in thin internet, and RG11, impedance of that is 50 ohm, thick internet. To connect a coaxial cable to device, we need coaxial connector. The most common type of connector used today is Bayon nail Concealment BENE connector. As shown in this particular slide, the figure of these connector shows three popular types of connectors: the BNC connector, the BNC-T connector, and BNC terminator. So next, in the next slide, it shows the performance of coaxial cable. The graph is plotted against attenuation and frequency. Let us have a look on some questions, MCQ questions. First question is, dash consists of central conductor and shield. The answer is twisted pair. Second one is, dash cable can carry signals of higher frequency than dash cable. Coaxial cable can carry signals of higher frequency than twisted pair. Next question is, guided media provides a conduit from one device to another, includes twisted pair, fiber pair, a fiber optic, coaxial, all of the above. The answer is RG59 is used in radio, internet, cable, none of the above. RG59 is used in cable TV. Thank you.